Shaka Zulu was the king of the Zulu Kingdom from 1816 to 1828. One of the most influential monarchs of the Zulu, he ordered wide-reaching reforms that reorganized the military into a formidable force. King Shaka was born in the lunar month of Unchilakazi, July, in the year of 1787 near present-day Melmoth, KwaZulu-Natal Province, the son of the Zulu king Senzingakona Kajama. Spurned as an illegitimate son, Shaka spent his childhood in his mother's settlements, where he was initiated into an Ibudo Lempi fighting unit, serving as a warrior under Nkosi Dingiswayo. 3. King Shaka further refined the Ibudo military system and, with the Mtetwa Paramountcy's support over the next several years, forged alliances with his smaller neighbors to counter Ndwandwe raids from the north. The initial Zulu maneuvers were primarily defensive, as King Shaka preferred to apply pressure diplomatically, with an occasional strategic assassination. His reforms of local society built on existing structures. Although he preferred social and propagandistic political methods, he also engaged in a number of battles. King Shaka's reign coincided with the start of the Mfecane/Defacane, upheaval or crushing, a period of devastating warfare and chaos in southern Africa between 1815 and about 1840 that depopulated the region. His role in the Mfecane/Defacane is highly controversial. He was ultimately assassinated by his half-brothers King Dingane and Prince Mshangana. Thank you Oran Z.